You know, everybody knows how important wiring is to a project. And with hot rodders putting modern engines and accessories into all kinds of things, it's important that your wiring stays up to date. So, Painless Performance has come out with this Pro Series wiring harness to do just that. Now check this out. At first glance, it looks like a typical Painless system with a state-of-the-art fuse block and extra long wires that are marked the whole length, telling you exactly where they go. So it's almost impossible to hook this up wrong. Then it's got the front harness, and it's got auxiliary harnesses, and it's got a harness for the alternator. But it also has all kinds of fittings and terminals, and you've got grounding straps, and you've got all the grommets, and you have interior lights, and you have marker light sockets, and I mean, you've got everything here right down to the electrical tape. About the only thing it doesn't have is somebody to help you do it. That's on you. But with a kit like this, Painless has actually made wiring a vehicle about as simple as you can possibly make it.